Welcome to TechnyFire. I am Dakbo Aruaje, and I'm thrilled to bring you this special edition straight from GITEX Nigeria, a spectacular event that is igniting the tech scene from Abuja to Lagos. GITEX Nigeria is a melting pot of innovation. This startup festival has brought together over 100 global tech leaders and more than 3,000 professionals, all showcasing groundbreaking advancements in AI, fintechs, cybersecurity, and so much more. GITEX, the Gulf Information Technology Exhibition, first launched in Dubai back in 1981, has since transformed into one of the largest tech gatherings on the planet. And as the tech landscape expanded, Nigeria seized the moment to shine a spotlight on this thriving tech ecosystem. Hence, GITEX Nigeria, an event that has become a beacon of transformation and innovation, is driving digital transformation across the nation.
This is Lagos. So thank you very much. It's therefore with a profound honor and with a great sense of responsibility that I welcome all of you to Lagos, the commercial economic nerve center of our country, the beating heart of Africa, the digital and economic renaissance of our time. As we gather here at the GITEX Nigeria Tech Expo and Future Economic Conference. Indeed, it's really an honor. It's been an awesome mind-setting goal that we're achieving here today. And everybody had set the journey. I attended the first GITEX about 4 years ago in Dubai, and all of a sudden they brought it to Marrakesh, and I'm like, how? I mean, yeah, I understand, but hey, if you're not in Lagos, Nigeria, why are you? But the rest is history now. But it just goes to show that the power and the mind of possibility. We did not see challenges. We did not see all the reasons why it shouldn't. We saw sheer resilience and opportunity. And I want to thank Tracy very much for taking the risk with us, for ensuring that even with all of the I's not properly dotted, all of the T's not crossed, you've taken this one of the biggest international conference here on our soil. And like you have also observed and seen, it's just the beginning. The sheer resilience of the tens and thousands of young people that want to take over the world. You will see that being expressed here.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, can you get a round of applause, please? Thank you very much.
Welcome to GITEX Nigeria 2025. It's a massive one. More than 100 professionals across the world are here. And more than 3,000 professionals from Nigeria are here in GITEX Nigeria. Let's go inside and see what's going on there. It's a massive one.
This is the latest AI glasses with real-time translation. And when you go traveling or go to some different country, you always suffering how to talking with people. And these glasses it help people to translate. And when you wear the glasses, and it will translate to different language. And also you can see your language in your phone. Yes.
I can see different things on it. It has,
Yes.
so if I want a translation, what happens to it? So it tells me everything. Does it talk? Or it translates on the screen itself?
It can translate. Also, it can give your voice.
Wow.
Yeah, we have two versions. Another version is also come with the camera.
With so the camera is on it?
Yes.
Wow. Do you want Nigeria to buy this?
Sure. We think Nigeria is a very potential market. The customer here is very young age. They are also come with very rich, and the people need very gorgeous and new technology products.
We've got a range of cable blowing machinery which we manufacture in the UK. So what we do is we provide the equipment that pulls the fibre optic cable through underground, allowing for better speed of connection. So what we have here is the full kit setup. So if we look here, we have the jet stream machine. Now what that machine can do, it can pull a fibre cable through anything between 6 and 20 mil, and at a speed of up to 85 metres per minute. So it's very quick, very effective, and very, very reliable. You need an air compressor, which links through with a hose onto the cable blowing machine, in this case the jet stream. That allows you to have the bar set to the required level, get the flow rate through at the right level of CFM, and you can move the cable through the duct trouble-free. We've come to Jitex Nigeria because we know that the fibre project in the country is now at a rapid pace. There's a lot of investment in it at the moment, and we're now looking for distribution partners in Nigeria who we can partner with, help support, train up members of staff, and start to sell more and more equipment into the region.
Amazing.
This is IPT, Integrated Power Technologies. We represent different brands, the Stools and Socomek in Nigeria. We've been in Nigeria for more than 26 years, so we are a Nigerian company. So we support our UPS and our precision cooling support data centers and also server rooms for telecommunications, oil and gas, and all of that. Oh, that Jitex is, I think, one of the biggest exhibiting system here in Nigeria. Okay, last 2 years we had ProPack, but I think this is the biggest. I know with Jitex we'll be able to, market our products. We'll have a broader view of people coming here to see what we do and also patronize us. I believe and I know that Jitex will help us, to grow our business more.
One thing that impresses me is the enthusiasm of Nigerians in ICT and tech. I can also see that the telecom sector is even diverging, transcending actually from service providers to solution providers. I can see so many telecom operators here now transcending their operations into cloud support, internet connectivity, and a whole lot of other solutions. So I think this is an avenue for tech companies, the CEO, and enthusiasts generally to have an interface with one another. I can also see a lot of international IT firms here. So it is an opportunity for the local startups to interface and network with them. Overall, I see this will increase the expansion of communications infrastructure in the country and deepen ICT penetration generally.
It means a lot to all of us in Nigeria because this is a long-awaited massive event gathering coming into Nigeria. Correct? We were behind this for more than 3 years now. So eventually I was in Abuja day before yesterday, a fantastic turnaround here. I'm seeing a lot of us around. I mean, it's a very good push from the government as well as even from the people.
Did you bring any product? What have you come here?
So, of course, I'm not here to pitch. Of course, what I'm pitching is, the whole African or Nigerian tech young ecosystem to the people. Because I'm representing them. Of course, I represent Africa data centers. That is the right thing. But at the same time, we also need to handle the young generations. That's what I'm here for.
the EGIS office, through LAGE is one of our agencies, that's the Lagos Geographic Information Center, is also an exhibitor at GITEX. So we've been going to GITEX from Lagos for about 5 years now, and it's really good that GITEX has decided to come to Nigeria in Lagos and Abuja to showcase technology. As it is, I just met Ara, and this is part of the things that I really would want, for my office. I would want to have a robot or robots that can actually do digitization and automation. I would want a situation where we have almost zero interaction with people to do approval processes. So some of the things that I do, which I must tell you, Lagos has launched the first digital addressing system in Nigeria. So in our booth, you can actually scan the house number, the QR code, and it takes you to the back end. It gives you all the information, whether billing information. We can even greet you for your birthday.
Attending GTEX Nigeria 2025 is, of course, a good sight to behold. And what does that signify? What that signifies is that we are seeing the light after the tunnel, that Nigeria can actually lead Africa in terms of technology solutions, in terms of innovation and creativity. Going forward, everybody has seen the crowd in Abuja and the massive and mega crowd and turnout in Lagos, in Eco Hotel and in Landmark. That is a signal to showing us that the future of technology, future of innovativeness and creativity is on the rise.
Zynos is 24 years in the economy in Nigeria as an indigenous IT company and the foremost IT company to assemble computers in Nigeria. We're proud to be here. One is because Zynos creates hope for the Nigerian youths. When the Nigerian youths think of Zynos as an IT brand that competes with every other hardware in the world, it creates hope to fire on. So that's one of the reasons that we are here. The second reason that we are here is that besides the Zynos that is known as a computing and devices company, we also do have two private labels. The iPower, which is our renewable energy products, and then the iTech. What do? We look at the economy and we find challenges in the economy. We use our platform to create solutions that closes the gap in the economy from an indigenous perspective. Yes, one can say that IT is borderless, but like the theme of this GITEX in Nigeria is AI. You have to domesticate AI. And Zynos being here indicates that the foreign brands is good for them to be in the country, but they don't understand our culture more than we do. We understand our culture, we understand the need to grow the economy, we understand the need to create hope for a Nigerian person, for a Nigerian youth particularly.
This journey started about 15 years ago. Through a reflection of myself, because I'm based in the US, I look at what I can really bring to add value to the country in terms of bridging trust gaps. So I discovered that IT is one area to bridge that, and there was no platform. So I decided to begin to launch those things. Until they approached me, and I used the opportunities as something that to help the country, especially our startups, our young ones that are looking for jobs. But for many years, we brought stakeholders like NIDA, Lagos State government, all the other stakeholders in the country to be part of this. But in the last 5 years, the idea was like, wow, this thing has to come to Nigeria. And now that we are coming to Nigeria,